In this video, I'm going to teach you how to multiply a 2-digit by 2-digit number. So if we have a problem like this that says multiply 21 times 24. So the first thing is we need to multiply this 4 by 1 and then by 2 as shown with the arrows. So let's look at the arrows. So first you multiply 4 times 1 and that equals 4. Then you multiply this 4 times this 2, and that equals 8. So let's put that in. There's the 8. Okay? So you have to remember your place values here, right? So you're multiplying this times this, so this goes in this column. Then you're multiplying this by this, so this answer goes in this column here. Okay? Now, let's go to step 2. Now we multiply this 2 by 1 and then by 2 as shown with the arrows, and I'll show you the arrows in a second. Make sure to line up the multiplication as shown with the place value. So now we're multiplying this times this, so we put that down here, okay? Because we're in this place value now. So these are the arrows, so we do 2 times 1, and like I said, it goes down here underneath this 8. Then we multiply this 2 times 4, 2 times 2. And then you put that beside this number, and that equals 4. Now you can put a 0 at the end if you prefer. So you could put a 0 here if you like, or you could just leave it blank, because leaving it blank is the same as saying there's nothing there. But there's the 0. If you prefer, you could do that. Now add the numbers together. Okay, so when you add them together, just add these together. 4 plus 0 is 4. 8 plus 2 is 10. Don't forget to carry the 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. 504. And that's how you do a 2 by 2 multiplication. And don't worry if you don't get this right away. You could just rewatch the video. Practice makes improvement. Anyone can do this. If you need extra help, you could take a look in the description. There's other videos of mine that are like this. There's links there. You could look at those. And as well, you could download the ebook and you could follow along in the ebook this exact lesson as you watch the video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and thank you so much for listening.